poets, writers coming from different part of our country and abroad. I welcome all of you in this fourth Kokrajhar Literary Festival. In 2021, we started this festival in Kokrajhar with the aim to bring a transformation in the thinking of the people. That time people were, facing lots of difficulties for continuous violence, killings, and so many untoward situations happening in Bodoland region. As normal human being, people always want peace and normalcy and secured life. But people living here in Bodoland, they had to face some abnormal situation during the movement periods. As you know, in entire Northeast, there is arms movement and also democratic movement for socio-political rights in last half century. And we, the Bodo people, also fought for a long time to realize our right, socio-political right, our cultural and to protect our identity and culture. In that time, we lost more than 5,000 people from our society. I pray for these martyrs who lost their life for our future. And also, I thank the visionary leader who saw the part of non-violence and also to live with dignity and to fight to that extent to protect our identity and culture and also to live with dignity. He is none other than our father of the Bodos, Upendranath Brahmaji. So I pay my honor to Bodofa Upendranath Brahmo. In first Lit Festival of Kokrajhar, it was International Lit Festival. The theme was the Poetry for Peace in 2021. At that time, we targeted the unscheduled languages of India to provide a platform for the unscheduled languages who doesn't have, the space to showcase their culture and identity and also to present their literature in any platform in the national or international platform, in the programs. So it was a very successful program in the first Lit Festival of Kokrajhar, where 100 languages, poets from 100 languages attended the program. And we hosted, and we learned so many things. We shared the ideas, we learned each other, and some tribes from Northeast, the small tribes from Northeast, they attended, they came, and they shared their ideas, how they live. We are all Indian. We may have some foreign guests also. But as Indian, most of our communities who have language, culture, tradition, and customs, but they don't got the recognition of the Constitution of India. They feel deprived, ignored, and they live in such a way that the whole community, they anytime feel neglected. And that time they struggle for their survival. Survival not only people, survival of their language, culture, and everything, their identity. So today, the Bodoland Council is a small council which is formed after a long movement and sacrifice. So this council can understand, the council can realize, the council and feel that how the people who are struggling for their survival need the support from the people and the groups who can really support to others. So we are not a strong, council. It is not a big council, but though we are a small council under 6 schedule, we can provide some platform, some our people who really need it. So this Lit Festival, today we have so many eminent writers, critics, and also the people very innovative and creative are gathering in the last editions of Lit Festivals. So Bodoland is blessed with the knowledge and ideas of some important people who visited in Bodoland region in last couple of years. In 2020, there was a peace accord with Government of India, Government of Assam, and our movement leaders, movement organizations. After the peace accord, our prime and most priority objective was to bring back peace and normalcy. After many years, in last 4 years, our people has witnessed the peace and normalcy for continually for 4 years. Now there is peace and normalcy and very congenial and cordial. People are living in cordial way of their life. We are helping each other. We are listening each other. We are supporting each other. We are working together for development of this region. So today, I want to go further on the the literature subject. My part is to welcome you and to inaugurate. I hope in coming 2 days, our writers, our poets, our critics, and the panelists coming from different parts of the country will share their ideas and knowledge to uplift the people living here. We have 26 communities in Bodoland. This year, we have published our vision document of all communities. All communities have their aspirations. All communities have their mission and vision, how they want to prosper, how they want to live, how they want to develop. So we have collected all their grievances, the problems and issues, and we have prepared the vision document for all communities. I will request the organizers to give you the soft copy of the vision documents that we have published from Council Government for all 26 communities of Bodoland. And in March, we are again preparing vision document of the government. Since passing of the Constitution of India, the community concept is not much visible in the Constitution as we have become citizens of the country. So country has given us status of citizen, but we belong to some community where we have our own tradition, custom, culture, and discipline. And though we are citizen of the country have very, good policies and everything, all set. We have to enjoy our rights and everything. But back home in the community, we have to, think the philosophy, the idea we are having is our own. We have our own community concept, own community philosophy, community ideas. And that's also very friendly. That's very friendly to our people. And even the 1,000 years before the independence, our people have been, practicing all these values, all these systems that we have in the community. So communities in the country are facing lot of problem for not having the recognition of the community values. They have their own community values and they live their own way. That is not recognized by the Constitution. Constitution has recognized categorically some of the problems and issues and identity and culture of certain communities, but not all. So what I feel is government is trying to build good roads, everything's for the ease of living for the people. At the same time, people must be happy. And people are not happy in some areas, some places, because their own values are not got recognition. Their own values are not protected. So they are worried sometimes if our values, if our identity and culture are not protected, where we are, how we are living, how our dignity will be preserved, our dignity will be protected. That kind of things are coming. So your knowledge, your idea, because one writer is one who think very seriously, deepest, of one issue. So you understand the things and uh, the points coming from your heart, from your feeling, from your thinking, that is going to help people like us who are in government. Government do not do the research. It is the institution, it is the people who do the research. Government pick the points, find by you. Government pick the, ideas being analyzed by you people and discussed in platform like this. So we'll see, we'll enjoy, and also we'll learn from our next discussions, next sessions. On behalf of BTR government and from people of BTR, we have 3.5 million of people in BTR regions. I welcome all of you and have a good stay here in Bodoland, and we will learn each other. Thank you very much. I have inaugurated this session. Thank you.